we have shown the film to a few people already from the industry and from some of our friends and family. And I don't think we can be prouder of any other film. This is by far, hits the ball out of the park. So we're very, very happy now. We were nervous about the anticipation that the trailer had conducted. She was very confident. In this case, she's right, as usual.
So, hi everyone. Yes, the film is actually releasing tomorrow, but from our end, it's already out there. People are watching it every day. There are 4 to 5 shows that's going on, and we are getting tremendous response on social media and on our telephones. And people, I've not seen this kind of response for any film. And you know, the best part is that everyone's liking it. And I think, so we aren't, I mean, if you expect us to be nervous or anything, no, we aren't.
Yeah. So, like we all know that a lot of directors have been seeing this film and they absolutely love it. Well, talking about directors, all of us who've seen the movie, that's Tanu Weds Manu, have loved it. And it's not very often that, you know, such jodis come back, but we're very glad that Tanu and Manu are returning. So talking about the chemistry that you guys have, it's fantastic in the film. So we have this application called as GeoChat. Now, since we are Reliance Digital, we have a lot of gadgets here. And we have applications that make these gadgets so helpful. So this application is called the GeoChat. It's like an instant messaging application. And we want Tanu to send you something, Manu, on the application GeoChat. And we have a sticker pack that's there. And there's a special sticker especially for Tanu Weds Manu returns. So let's see that happening. So there you go. She's already telling Manu that she's going to be showing him some new stickers. Fantastic. And there's Tanu Weds Manu returns.
So these are the limited edition stickers. And I think after you all see the film, you would love to own these. But download them right now and download them on GeoChat. And don't miss out on the fun because they're too much fun. Tanu, Datto, and Deepak and Manu, everyone will identify with the characters. And you would love to have these stickers on your phone and other apps.
Fantastic. Well, talking about Tanu Weds Manu returns, Kangana Ranaut is returning to Reliance Digital today to promote this film. Well, this entire store and all the branches are known as the lucky mascots for movies. So, and this is first time for Madhavan, so I would like to ask both of them, how is it returning to Reliance Digital?
I do agree, because last time was my first time and I came here during Queen's promotion. I think I'd come on the day Queen had released, and this time around, I come just one day before the release. But it's been very lucky for me. And this is a great store, one of the biggest that we have here. And I'm already in shopping mood because there are such great appliances I can see. But yeah, I obviously can't do that.
Well, Kangana knows that I'm a gizmo freak. I already love all the electronics that I see. And I believe if you're saying it's a good mascot and good luck for all of us, we'll keep coming back for all the films. I am a complete Gizmo fan from the very beginning, and I've heard that whenever you come to do these promotions, they give you awesome gifts in this store. So Kangana and I are looking forward to our gifts. Thank you, Reliance Digital. We love the gifts you're giving us. Thank you.
So since you are a Gizmo freak, what is that one gadget that would keep returning to your life? What is that one thing that you would keep buying? So is it like, if you're buying an iPhone, would you go again for an iPhone, or is it some other gadget that would keep returning?
I find the most advanced and useless gadget that will promise to make my life better, but has no bearing to it, as the most attractive thing. So if I find a watch that can be also a phone, that can also be a tablet, I'll buy it. But nobody in the world ever uses the watch as a phone. Similarly, there are other things. I have glasses that can actually work as a hearing aid. So I have a cap that has an air conditioner inside. So anything that's absolutely useless but high technology is something that I'm crazy about.
Fantastic. Members of the media, I'm sure you're